Hi, I'm Eileen Strisver. I live in Hurley. I had Victoria Coyne of Victoria Gardens do this unbelievable garden behind me. Oh, the consultation was wonderful. She gives you an hour and you can talk about anything you want. So basically, I had her do a walk around of the whole property, and she was noticing and suggesting things that I hadn't even thought of. So I was happy just with that. I knew what I wanted to do, but I also knew I wanted to hire her, and I said, when can we get started? I'm a graphic designer and also a fine artist, or have been. And designers are taught to look at things a certain way, and I also was an educator for designers. So when I looked at this, I've never done garden design, and I looked at this and I was like, why is everything there and not much over there? And then it occurred to me, this is the way design is supposed to be. Everything shouldn't have equal emphasis. Your eye should go somewhere and then it should be led somewhere else. So that's how graphic design works. And so once I applied that principle to what she did, it all made sense to me that what's behind me is what you see when you walk back there. That's also where that fabulous tree is that I didn't know was there, because her team unveiled the stone and the tree. Everything was hidden by brush, and she made a focal point of what was already there, put my statue, which never looked better, over there, and then I realized that's the focal point, and then your eye walks along the path and goes up the hill, and what's happening in that corner is something that we'll be developing over time, because those are mostly trees which will have fabulous scents, fabulous colors. This area has a lot of lime green to stand out. That area is going to, when those trees bloom, it's going to have scent that's going to waft through the backyard. It's also going to have, Victoria told me, pinks and yellows and golds. So what Victoria did is created living art. That's how I look at it. So this is something that's going to constantly evolve and constantly change. And to me, it's a beautiful example of good design. Even if you know nothing about it, you notice that things look in balance, even if it's unconscious. But being a designer, that's how we think. We want to create something that people just appreciate. They don't have to know why. I would absolutely say, and I have said this to people that I have met, have Victoria do the initial consult, because the initial advice is invaluable, and once you see what she's suggesting, hire her. Somebody else I know was thinking of it but wasn't sure about spending the money on the consult, and I said, even if you just do the consult, you're going to be saving money on making bad decisions on plants that aren't right for your place and spend years trying to figure it out, when just having the consult is going to save you time, money, and everything else. And if you're able to do it, this is something that I will enjoy every single day of the rest of my life. So to me, the investment I made has paid off already in beauty and enjoyment of my space.